ఆధునిక పద్ధతుల్లో అన్ని సౌకర్యాలతో నెల్లూరు రైల్వే స్టేషన్ను సిద్ధం చేస్తున్నామని రైల్వే స్టేషన్ డెవలప్మెంట్ మేనేజర్ సునీల్ కుమార్ అన్నారు. నెల్లూరు రైల్వే స్టేషన్లో ఆయన మీడియాతో మాట్లాడారు. ఈ సందర్భంగా ఆయన మాట్లాడుతూ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ రాష్ట్రంలోనే అత్యంత జనాభా కలిగిన పట్టణాల్లో నెల్లూరు 4వ పట్టణమని ఆయన పేర్కొన్నారు. దీనికి అనుగుణంగా రైల్వే స్టేషన్ చేస్తున్నామని ఆయన తెలిపారు. రైల్వే స్టేషన్లో 102 కోట్ల రూపాయల అంచనాలతో అభివృద్ధులు జరుగుతున్నాయని ఆయన పేర్కొన్నారు. నెల్లూరు రైల్వే స్టేషన్ కు సీపోర్టు కనెక్టివిటీ, ఆక్వా వ్యాపారాలు బాగా సాగుతాయని ఆయన తెలిపారు. అన్ని సౌకర్యాలు ఉంటేనే క్యాబ్ లో వెళ్లేందుకు కూడా నెల్లూరు రైల్వే స్టేషన్ నుంచే వెళ్లవచ్చని ఆయన పేర్కొన్నారు. ఈ సందర్భంగా మీడియాకు రైల్వే స్టేషన్ అభివృద్ధిపై ఆయన వివరించారు.
Okay, my name is Sushil Kumar and I am team leader cum project manager of this Nellore development, major development. This project cost is 102 crore and being funded by Railway Indian. This station has been selected because the footfall of the passenger is at present 27,000 and it is going to increase in the near future. Expectation is up to 40,000. So this station is very important point of view to develop, as well as this is the 4th populous district of this Andhra Pradesh, and it is also connected with port nearby, and Sriharikota is also there where the space launches are being done. This station at present handling more than 130 trains, and the passengers are coming and going by that train. This station is being developed keeping in the mind in the future where the generation is developing. There should not be any discomfort to the passenger. For that, this passenger who will come to catch the train and the passenger who is coming from the train and they have to go out, they should not make that system we have kept in mind while designing and constructing this railway station. The people who will come to catch the train, they will use air concourse. And air concourse is very wide space, 36 meter width, and it is equipped with escalator, staircase and lift as well. And apart from that, this food court is also there, so that if some refreshment is required to the passenger, they can utilize that one. This lift is provided where if the senior citizenship and anybody who doesn't want to use this escalator or staircase, they can use this lift. And the same way the passenger who is coming from the train and they have to go out the local, they will use our subway, which is also connected all the platforms, and it will go out to exist in the arrival concourse where the taxi booking counter is there, a toilet is there. So any facility at everywhere we have kept. If facility should be there, there should not be any discomfort to the any passengers, especially this Divyangjan. They are also our passengers and our citizens. For that also we have kept at every convenient level like ground floor and every floor a special toilet for them. Ramp will be there, so all the facility will be provided for them also. This tactile tiles is also there for the blind people, blind Divyangjan, so they can utilize tactile tiles also, everything. So this is the modern type of station where everything, all the facility for the passenger has been provided by keeping in the mind all class of the passenger. I can say the signage is provided in such a way that even a 10 years old boy or girl will come, they will catch easily train there and they will come out easily from the platform also. That way we are providing the signage and everything, and all the easy facilities are being given. Everywhere that it will be displayed, it will be announced, everything is there. And at the last, this painting also, we will keep the local theme of the Nellore also, which is important for their aquaculture, their ancient. And as I said, this Mahatma Gandhi was there, so their photo also we will preserve. We will develop as well as keep our history also, so that for the next generation, our people will see what our ancient people has done, our great people Mahatma Gandhi ji has done, what they have given the effort to the people. And at present, whatever this present existing is elevation and so is there. West side we are keeping in the same, east side, and west side we are modifying to keep give the good look of there. Here the one facade light is there. In that light, what is that? During the Independence Day and any specific time, we can utilize that light. It can give you the flag shape also and all the other shape also. So this is the modern technique we are going to utilize this lighting also, that is facade lighting also and elevation also. So I think this will give after handing over whatever the public money has invested by the government in this project, it will be well utilized by the public of this country.
What is the estimated date to complete?
This is 2 October 2024, 2nd October 2022. It will be completed, but you know this, the challenging is we have to work under the traffic. We cannot stop any train, we cannot give any discomfort or safety to hazard to the any passenger. So that difficulty is there, but we are facing on that difficulty, we are overcome on the difficulty, and at present we are on the track, and we hope we will complete by that day, October.